Hi guys, today I am doing Who Needs a Vacuum Cleaner when you have, so look at all this mess. I know, but who needs a vacuum cleaner when you've got Poppy over there? Wait, sorry about that. Wait, Poppy. Here. You just point to her. Poppy. Oh, look, over here. I just dropped my phone. Hopefully it didn't stop. And Poppy. Here. See, our vacuum cleaner. And what's over there? Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Anyway, vacuum cleaner. Get one today, only at the low price of $1,000 or $5,000. Who knows, but anyways, get yours today. Bye!